How to log in Bitget account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log into your Bitget account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Bitget app on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are on the home screen or a welcome screen of Bitget. Tap continue button at bottom of the screen. Now tap Allow button to allow Bitget to send you notifications. Now tap on 9 dots at top left corner of the screen. Now here you will see the login and sign up option. Simply tap on login button. Now you will land on this login page where you can simply log in into your Bitget account using your email or mobile account, or simply you can head towards sub account as well. Or you can log in with your Google account, Apple ID, or Telegram account as well. If you want to log into your sub account, enter your email and password. In case you forget your password, tap on the link and recover your password. After that, tap login button and you will successfully log into your Bitget account after you complete the verification process. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.